In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Google Sheets. We'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can integrate Gemini into your Google Sheets with ease. Let's get started. First, open up a Google Sheets document. It can be a new spreadsheet or an existing one. The important thing is that you're in the environment where you'll soon have Gemini up and running. Next, draw your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. In this toolbar, you'll find an option labeled Extensions. Click on it. This is your gateway to adding new functionalities to Google Sheets. Once you've clicked on Extensions, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for various add-ons, including Gemini. Inside the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type in Gemini. Once you've hit Enter, a list of results will appear. Look for an option named Google Sheet Gemini. This is the correct add-on that we want for this tutorial. After locating it, click on Install. A new window may pop up, showing you the permission that Gemini needs to function correctly. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure. Simply click on Continue to proceed. You'll then be asked to sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Follow the instructions to authenticate your account. Once done, another window will appear where you'll need to click on Select. This simply means you're selecting the account to which you want to add Gemini. When prompted again, click Continue. By doing this, you're welcoming Gemini into your Google Sheets environment and allowing it to enhance your data processing capabilities. Once installed, return to your Google Sheets document. Click on Extensions once more, just as we did earlier. This time, instead of Get Add-ons, look for the option that says Use AI Formulas. Click on that. This step enables you to leverage AI functionalities powered by Gemini, potentially revolutionizing how you interact with your data. To ensure everything is installed correctly, take a moment to explore the new features you have access to. Each function is designed to enhance your Google Sheets experience, streamlining your processes and boosting productivity. That wraps up our tutorial today on how to use Gemini in Google Sheets. We hope this guide has been straightforward and helpful. By following these instructions, you should now have a capable tool integrated directly into Google Sheets, ready to assist in your data analysis tasks. Thanks for watching and enjoy the benefits of an enhanced spreadsheet experience with Gemini.